In this construction, we will construct an equilateral triangle with each side of 55 millimeters. Using the T-square, draw a horizontal baseline. Along the baseline, measure the given base, AB, 55 millimeters. Mark vertex A and vertex B. Set the compass to a radius of 55 millimeters, equal to AB. With center A, draw an arc above the base. Without changing the radius, with center B, draw a second arc to intersect the first at G. Using the aim ruler, join A to G and B to G. Triangle ABG is the required equilateral triangle. The base AB is 55 millimeters. Sides AB, AG, and BG are all equal. Each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Triangle ABG is therefore the required equilateral triangle with sides of 55 millimeters.